ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go! 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 Yeah, this is it. Go! Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go! 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 Yeah, this is it. Go! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah, this is it.
अब मेरे हाथों में है हाथ तेरा, हाँ तो क्या मांगू रे। हाँ तेरे संग देखने को सवेरा मैं रातें जागू रे। मेरी तू ही ज़मीं आसमां मेरा, तेरी आंखें बनी आईना मेरा। तेरे बिन तो जहां में किसी को मेरा ना मानू रे। मैं तो रंग गया रंग तेरे सांवरे हो, मैं तो झूम झूम के गाऊं रे। मैं तो झूम झूम के गाऊं रे।
So, life, just like a roller coaster, is full of ups and downs, and sometimes we climb slowly, sometimes we zoom ahead with excitement. Our children too experience these moments every day, learning something new, making mistakes, trying again, and celebrating small victories. And just like every roller coaster ride needs courage, learning needs curiosity and confidence.
That's right. Every roller coaster begins with a slow climb to the top. It may feel a little scary, but that climb prepares us for the thrilling ride ahead. Yes, we know you're waiting for your little ones, and we are preparing for that thrilling ride right now. So now we are beginning with our talented Intelli choir. Right now, kids are ready with the songs. So they'll play some nice band. Please relax, sit back, enjoy the music until we wait for our little champions to rock. So you're ready to see them? One more time. We are going to maintain this energy and gonna check your energy in between. Are you waiting for them? Superb. So we'll play the song
Good.
for you.
Yes.
Thank
So
you,
can we have
everyone.
a big round of applause for an Intelli choir group?
Like a small boat on the ocean, setting big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make your heart open. I'm only at one match, but I'm gonna make it to the ocean. And all those things I didn't say, making bombs inside my brain. I will scream them loud tonight. Can you hear my voice? పోరునే గెలుచుపాదివి బతి సాటిలే నిఘనుడైనా నీరజాక్షి అలిగే వేళ నుడి విల్లు ముడి వంచగలడా సడే చాలు సత సైన్యాలు నడిపే ధీరుడైనా
welcome each one of you. I welcome our directors, guests, and dear parents, our students, everybody here. One more time, a warm welcome to this carnival roller coaster. Come on everyone, let's give an energetic start and show some energy. Yes, I can see those smiles and eager eyes to see your little ones, and they're soon coming. So on stage right now, we begin with our invocation. Swati, over to you.
Yes, every meaningful beginning starts with seeking blessings from the divine. It fills our hearts with positivity and our minds with peace. So let's now listen to our students presenting.
Shlokas are not just sacred verses. They carry timeless wisdom and values that guide us in life. And these little ones have been practicing from days and days. And even we have special shloka classes on every Saturday. So dear parents, let's give it up for these little ones. Also, we request you to please rise from your seats. And if you are wearing glasses, please remove them. And let's stand.
वाजनीवति नाम वित्रयवतु गणाधिपतये नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओं जत्सद्ब्रह्मणार्पणमस्तु सहना भवतु सहना भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनामधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ शन्नो मित्र शन्वरुणः शं नो भवत्वर्यमा शं नो इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शं नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो तमेव प्रत्यक्षं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि मा भवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
That was truly soothing. May I now request everybody to please be seated? It was really magical to hear our kids reciting slokas so well.
No doubts. After all, these kids have been practicing so well with complete dedication under the guidance of their mentor. So, Swati, what's coming? And storytelling through rhythm. Dear parents, please clap very, very loudly so that your kids know that you are really waiting for them eagerly and happily. This energy has to be throughout. So, please. They look beautiful, right?
Of telling stories through graceful movements and expressions. It reflects our rich culture and traditions. Let us now enjoy this timeless art.
सुख करता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची नुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उटिशेंदुराची कंठी जळके माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव मात्रे मनोकामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव
सर्वधार महाशक्ति मूलाश्रयवासिनी सर्वधार महाशक्ति मूलाश्रयवासिनी स्वाधिष्ठाने स्थिते देवी सर्वाशयदायिनी सर्वधार महाशक्ति मूलाश्रयवासिनी स्वाधिष्ठाने स्थिते देवी सर्वाशयदायिनी मणिपुरे जगज्जननी सर्वजीव सुपालिनी अर्ध अनहत कामेशी त्रिकोणातरवासिनी मणिपुरे जगज्जननी सर्वजीव सुपालिनी अर्ध अनहत कामेशी त्रिकोणातरवासिनी भैरवी जय भैरवी भैरवी जय भैरवी भैरवी जय भैरवी भैरवी जय भैरवी
What a graceful and elegant performance. Let's give them a big round of applause. It was indeed very beautiful and elegant.
Exactly, that was so soothing and beautiful. So, may we please have them for a group picture? We are privileged to invite our respected director ma'ams on stage. Our Rajni ma'am, Director Academics, and Shilata ma'am, Director HR and Operations, to please step forward and address the gathering.
That was just a 1 week practice. They just practiced for 1 week and they were so coordinated and so clear and so composed. It's beautiful.
Not even
to
1
see.
week, Rajni, 5 days.
I know.
We took 2 days to finalize the agenda and then 5 days.
It was just a discussion. Remember the school days where we had 1 month of practice for the annual day, and this is the world days. The minute I took the mic, some of my friends here thinking, okay, get ready for a half an hour speech.
No. Even we are equally excited as our parents to see our little ones perform here on stage.
So without taking much time, just few things that we would like to make it as a tone that sets for the evening. I had a few parents come and ask me, "Anta dooram pettalsina avasaram entandi, city lo cheyochu kada ani." So I thought we will address those things. We wanted kids to feel part of a bigger thread of a bigger organizations, because we live in a smaller communities somewhere.
We have sent you invitations. So we are launching it in this month, that is Ugadi. That's the day, and we are going to function from this academic year. There also we have enrolled admissions and we are keeping it exclusive for this year. So please come and bless us. I would request all of you to come and visit our campus and bless us for the core. We are calling it as Intelli Core 1. Thank you.
So many questions about the IntelliCore 1. Yes, we are launching it this year only. It's an extension of Miniminds and Intelli itself, and a city presence. As we understand, it takes a lot of time for your kids to travel all over there. So there is another learning space which is working at the same things that you will see today. With no delay, Shahnaz, you can take up your next part of the program. See, short speech, I told you. Short speech and clear message.
Thank you, ma'ams. Thank you, ma'ams. Now it's time to introduce the guests of the day.
So here we have Ms. Jayashree Hattangni, who is a heritage conversionist, educator, and storyteller deeply rooted in Vizag's cultural landscape. Growing up across India as the daughter of a Navy doctor, she developed a lifelong sensitivity to the country's languages, history, and communities. Since retiring in 2005 and settling in Vizag, she has focused on urban and tribal education, working closely with communities to understand and address grassroots challenges. Fondly known as Vizag's heritage narrator, Ms. Hattangni leads heritage walks that bring alive the city's Buddhist legacy and colonial past. Can we please have a big round of applause for our Jayashree ma'am? Ma'am, can you please share your valuable words for all of us?
If I like to add one more line for you is, very few people in this city has the passion to be the crusaders of this city. If you speak to her a few minutes, you'll understand. She's a true crusader of this city. When you hear the Google setting up data centers in Vizag, if there is anybody who is committing their life to keep the authenticity and essence of this city intact, it is her and her husband. So felicitating and calling her here is like setting an example for all the parents. That's the reason why we have ma'am here. Big round of applause for that kind of a commitment, I would say.
Very good evening. You just applauded for our own city. And that's exactly what I am seeing, or rather when you stand somewhere here, you are parents that are holding the future, beautiful future ahead. Mini Minds, today's program is roller coaster. Believe me, life is a roller coaster. The children, you, and everybody else has so much to offer, to take, and to get together. Just as she said, it shouldn't be a long speech, but the idea is, when I just looked through the program, there was something which I have to tell you. They have connected your children to the elements. I repeat, it is the elements and the emotion with the elements. That's the program. Although you are taking your children out, you are doing a lot of things for your children, you must emphasize, really, I mean emphasize on those elements, getting together with them and speaking to them, making sure that each one of the experience is something that they are holding close to, not in front of a screen. That is so important. So there's so much to talk about when I see exciting young parents, but then your children are going to perform. And that is going to be a precious, precious memory for you and for the children. A very good evening to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. She already has given us the gift of being ahead of the time and saying what needs to be said. Thank you so much. You're taking it up. Ma'am, just for a few more minutes. Could you be with us? Let us listen to.
So, welcoming our second guest of the day, Dr. Shravani Chituri, PhD in Yoga, worked as Professor of Practice, Andhra University, Director, Sri Kanka Mahalakshmi Cooperative Bank. Let's welcome ma'am with great round of applause. Ma'am, we also request you to kindly address the gathering.
Thank you.
Shravani, can I add one line to you also? Yeah. Shravani is one person. The blaring is happening. Are you checking this? Right? Thank you. So, many women here have taken break from their careers or something to give birth to their kids and bring them up, and after a few years, I will resume. So many of them say that once you take a break, you can't resume back to your work. So any women who are like that, this one is a perfect example for you. She picked up doing yoga, post-graduation and PhD when her kids were in 5th grade and 7th grade. I saw her sitting in the flight and studying for her examination when she was going and picking them up, cleared it, did her PhD. Right now, she had been the professor, headed one of the best yoga professors with the insight and wisdom, and also heading a bank. So any women who say that, you can't take a break and come back with a force, she's a perfect example for you ladies.
Good evening to our special guest, Jayashree ma'am, parents, teachers, and the little superstars of this evening. It's a very, very heartwarming to see the kids taken little steps towards the learning, towards discovering and exploring the world through mini minds. And today is their big day. They're going to graduate today. All the little ones, congratulations. Today is your milestone day. You have learned so much, grown so much, and don't forget to chase your dreams, stay curious, and also don't forget to be naughty. And for the teachers and the parents, congratulations. You have played a very important role, and you will continue to play a very important role in shaping these young minds. Thank you so much for all your love and support to these young minds. And with Rajni Chitra and Srilata at the helm of Mini Minds, I can vouch that nothing less than the best will be given to your children. And I can see the holistic agenda of the program when with the two performances we already saw. It's such a heartful thing to see. I'm looking forward to the program. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ravni. I think we will step down to enjoy the programs. Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'ams. We request you to kindly take your seats, and our kids are ready to perform. Another big round of applause for your children. Nature is a great teacher. It gives us everything we need to live, grow, and thrive. Our little Ira is now coming on stage to introduce the elements of nature. Let's welcome Ira on stage. A big round of applause for this little one.
Welcome to our school, a conscious learning space. From whispers of the wind and warmth of the sun, strength of the earth, and flow of the water. Today the elements themselves have come to speak with us today. So listen carefully, because every element carries a lesson. Thank you.
That was so sweet. So today's performances are beautifully inspired by the elements of nature, fire, water, earth, and air. And you will hear them in between the performances in the form of monologues.
So the first monologue we are about to hear from Anuj, which is fire. Arjun, sorry.
I'm fire, the spark of passion and energy. I light up the paths of curiosity and discovery. But remember, true strength is not in burning bright alone. It is in using your power wisely. Thank you. Love and care start with small things. Saying thank you, helping a friend, sharing our toys, show how big our little hearts are. Today we celebrate kindness and joy of caring for one another through upcoming dance by little friends from playgroup.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world.
Stomp your feet.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me.
I flow, I adapt, I find my way. When rocks block my way, I will not stop. I simply move around them. I remind you that flexibility and calmness can overcome any obstacle.
Beautifully expressed. What a meaningful performance. Now, attitude is one of the most beautiful qualities we can nurture in children.
Being thankful helps us appreciate the people, things around us. There is a twist to this performance by the end of the program. So please sit back, relax and enjoy. And keep encouraging the efforts of these little ones.
Every child who comes on stage shows great courage and confidence. Let us continue encouraging them with our smiles and applause because your support means the world to them.
Thank you, ma'am. Gratitude is about being happy for what we have. It means being thankful for all the love, kindness, and happy moments around us. When we say thank you, we show how much we appreciate the people and things that make our lives special. Let's enjoy this reflection through this presentation by Nursery.
तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी, तू ही मेरा जुनून, तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी, तू ही रूह का सुकून, तू ही अखियों की ठंडक, तू ही दिल की है दस्तक और कुछ ना जानूं मैं, बस इतना ही जानूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं।
दबी दबी सी हंसी होठों पे फंसी है, गुदगुदी कर रही हवा, हल्ला मचा रही है पागल सी ख्वाहिशें, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है।
Absolutely. This was absolutely very, very delightful. We can always see that energy among the parents. Dear parents, how did you feel about it? Isn't it great? Yes. So a big round of applause. Let's show them amazing these little ones were. Yes, I invite upon stage Lalita with our next monologue. Earth is a symbol of life, stability and nurturing.
It reminds us to stay grounded and to care for the planet that supports us.
Welcome the next monologue by Lalita, which is another nature's element, Earth.
Good evening everyone, my name is Lalita. I am the earth, strong, steady and patient. I teach you to stay grounded even when the world feels shaky. Like mountains stand tall with courage, like soil, nurture, kindness and growth in everything you do. Thank you.
Such an important message for all of us.
A beautiful presentation by Lalita. And now we await the next performance by EY1, which is the Friendship Dance. Friendship makes our lives brighter and happier. True friends support, encourage and bring joy into our lives. Our EY1 students will now celebrate this wonderful bond through a lively friendship dance.
Friends laugh together, help each other and share happy moments. When one friend feels sad, another friend holds their hand and makes them smile. They remind us that we are not alone. We always count on them.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah.
I'll be alright, I'll be alright. I'll be alright.
तू है तो टेढ़ी मेढ़ी राहें, उल्टी पुल्टी बातें सीधी लगती है। तू है तो झूठे मूठे वादे, दुश्मन के इरादे सच्चे लगते हैं। जो दिल में तारे वारे दे जगा वो तू ही है जो रोते रोते दे हंसा, तू ही है वही। जाने क्यों दिल जाता है, तू है तो I'll be alright, I'll be alright। जाने क्यों दिल जाता है, तू है तो I'll be alright, I'll be alright।
Fantastic, the Yellow Friendship Band. You've done an amazing job. Big round of applause for my little ones on friendship.
And now we have another stage presentation by our little ones, which is on the report card. Yes, a very important message they are here to share and to request and to convey that everything cannot fit into a small and tiny piece of report card. So let's hear out them and understand and give a deep reflection on what they have to share with us.
We can't be everything at once. You may be reading a report card, but not everything can fit in there. We can total our marks, we can count our stars, we can put our trophies in a box. We can measure who is bigger, taller or faster, but not everything cannot be calculated in percentages. There are no marks for love and courage. There are no ranks for generosity and friendliness. Not everything can fit in a report card. Maybe I'm a good friend. How many stars do I get for that? My biggest strength cannot be ranked. You cannot calculate how big my dreams are. I am growing every day, even when my progress is not visible. You cannot decide what is my capability with just a report card. How can all of this fit in that tiny space?
We have Darshik also with his message. Can we welcome Darshik also with another beautiful message?
Maybe I am the best in dancing. Maybe I am the best in sports. What grade will I get for that? Maybe I am good at kindness. How many marks do I get for that?
What a beautiful message. From your words, I think they said it all. How many times we say these words, they don't come across. When they came from these little ones, I think you have to give a big round of applause that they have told you what early learning is all about. We can't get them on cards, percentages, and your parameters of measuring. How joyful they are is what matters. Big round of applause for my confident, joyful, pretty. This is a girl gang, huh? I have already seen that happening in the school. So, very good job. I think 3-4 days they are able to do it. I always, when I come to young parents, I like to share with them. We all went with a kind of schooling, which is more about our left brain. We know how well to do things, but our education system has not given a lot of scope for the right brain. That means which gives you a scope how to do it, rather when to do it. This is the missing link. That's why I see now, because of my 25 years of experience, amazingly capable kids and students, but they are lost what to do and when to do. This because we have not worked on it. Whereas our parents were good at that because their ecosystem was such that lot of creativity was part of their life. You know how we are killing the creativity? By this screen. When I say a rose, a different rose comes in all our brains. But when you show it on a screen, this is the rose, you have already killed the creativity of what that rose could be, what color it is, and what pattern it is. So this is one of the reasons why we reduce the impact of the screen time. We've been working on it, but this will only happen with your cooperation. There are a lot of programs related to it. If you are proactive about it, we will have you involved. So one of the best things is us to set as an example. We told all the dads who are going that side, hello dads, you need to come back here. We told them, your kids will come to you. No, they will go and stand there. So what are you setting there? You can't play cricket without rules. You can't not be part of a system without following those kind of rules and system. But you are breaking in and out, and you want a very disciplined child. Doesn't work that way. Doesn't work that way. I have done it, and I'm telling you, I'm not preaching it to you. Whenever I saw anything missing in my own child or in my own school, I did the correction here so that, it reflects there. So earnest sharing for you. Please do it before you do it. When the school teacher says, sit, your kids are coming to you, means we mean it. Your kids are coming to you. You keep on going and standing there. You are telling him, it's okay, whatever dad says, I can do what I want to do. Please remember this. Other than that, I think we have come to the most beautiful part of today's event. That is the graduation of my second graders. To do this, I need the camera crew to set out. You need to clear the pathway, dear parents. Can you just settle down? Because we are going to have the grad walk of our second graders who are going to come there as a part of their graduation ceremony. To do that, I request both the guests.
I want to become a Navy officer. I want to become an army pilot. I want to become a dancer. I want to become an architect. I want to be police officer. I want to become a doctor. I want to become a firefighter. I want to become an astronaut. I want to become a police. I want to become a doctor. I want to become a teacher. I want to become a police officer. I want to become army officer. I want to become police officer.
As you can see, we used AI to make mummies and daddies see how they would be reflecting here. So we want the blessings of both the guests who have such beautiful nurturing hands to bless them. So we got some tiny things for them to bless them. Yes, we do this graduation day in an English way, but our traditions are so beautiful. So we want you to make all kids feel special. Dear parents, please sit down so that you can enjoy this.
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ।
We also request our director sir to please join on the stage.
देखा कमाल वो आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ, 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 शाबाशियाँ।
Now for the beautiful part of awarding them their graduation caps and the certification of completion. I request Lata, please help our guests again in doing this beautiful job. And they're looking pretty with those tiny malas. Big round of applause for these little graduates here. I wish they had done these things to us also, no, when we were in schools. We would have had a good fun out of it. Yes, Shravani, we would like you to start with the honors of giving out the certificates one after another. First row, Shravani, you take care. Ma'am will do the second row after Shravani ma'am's.
जब नजदीक से देखे तो खुशियों के आंसू आए, तू नजरों को वो मंजर देना।
खूबी एक ही एक दिन मिटाएगी तेरी हजार खामियां।
करके देखा
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ।
That's it, this whole arrangement for these little ones to feel this way. Big round of applause for them. I have a lot of kindergarten parents asking me, especially play group, why there is no graduation for my kids. It's there in a classroom way, but this requires a big
आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए
Thank you, parents, for giving us this honor of giving them this felicitation. Thank you. I think they will be guided. Ma'am, please stay on the stage. We have a small memento for you to take of the love and affection that we have as an organization for people like you. You have given them such beautiful blessings they will remember forever. I'm sure they're going to grow up and come and show you. You are the one who have given me this.
We request the children to
you can go this side. Kartika.
Students to remain on the stage because they have song presentation now.
Oh, teacher, they will come back again. They come back another round and come. Okay, so have you noticed there is a child inside Jayashree ma'am? The way she was totally enjoying talking to them and being with that. I know you're doing such an amazing work, or else I would have grabbed you off to my own schools and I would have put you up there. Yes, she's always been part of it. Ma'am, today a small memento of love, and in a way I would say is our felicitation to you. Because when we felicitate you, as you said, we are doing it to this city, the city we love. I come from Vijayawada and I have fallen in love with Vizag. And now, whenever they ask me, you're from Vijayawada, I'll say I am from Vizag. Because this city is so beautiful because of the people. Ur Manchidi ante because of the people. It's not of the city of the seas and mountains. So these are the people who made it. Give a big round of applause because our blessings and energy should be there with them so that they can do so much more for our city. Ma'am, this is a small love and affection from us. This is a blessings from Tirupati Balaji for you. We got it so that you're healthy and with lot of abundance of energy and resources. So you do all the good work that you've been doing. This is our plant. Every time it blooms, one child of ours face should be reflected in you, ma'am. Ma'am is also, it seems, passionate for photography because Shravani is part of photography, so she's recognizing that. You can't have a beautiful city and not have a passion for photography, I'm sure. So Shravani, another person who had shown that inner learnings are more important than whatever school learnings that we do. She's a meditator and she's a yoga exponent, but other than that, you just be around her, you'll understand what inner strength is about and inner learning is about. We called you because, Shravani, this is, it's not about designations. It's not about the post. Obviously, you look very pretty in our pictures. That's not the point. Because when with the good hands, when you give the blessings to these kids, that energy flows. For that, we have called you and we know that they are already blessed. And here is a small blessings and love of our school for you. Rashmi, can we have you here? And I request our director, sir, Sandeep Chitra, who is happy not being on the stage. He is Shravani's best friend, so I had to call him up to do this. Yes. Lata, I'm holding mic, so do you help me out? May you make all of us proud. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now the EY2, which just got graduated, has a song for you before they sign off for the evening. We're almost done. Let's have Shanti, all of them on the stage and enjoy. And all the parents who are sitting so inactive. The last part is a song and dance where we want you to stand there and also move your hands. Are you guys with me? Are you going to make your grandparents also do that? And they come and ask me, why do you look so young after 52 years? I tell them because I dance and sing with them. That is the real secret, nothing else. So you want to look young, active, energetic, you have to stand after this song and dance with our kids. Let me see how many of you do it. Are you all set, guys? Yes? I can't hear you. Yes? That one is going to make people listen to her.
A beautiful gesture. With this, we invite upon stage our next dance, which is grades 1 and 2. Courage helps us overcome challenges and move forward with confidence.
Our grade 1 and 2 students will now inspire us with a powerful dance celebrating courage and fearlessness.
This performance is absolutely going to be full of energy and lots of strength. So, as they get onto the stage, dear parents, let's welcome them, reciprocating the same energy as they are here to showcase on the stage. We request you to give a huge round of applause and encourage them as they prepare for their presentation.
Be brave, you can do it. True bravery is not the absence of fear, but the power to move forward. Let us celebrate the spirit of courage and determination. When we believe in ourselves, nothing can stop us. With courage in our heart, we can achieve anything. Let us welcome the warriors on stage.
And hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agreed politely. I guess that I forgot
ओजस गंभीरा है।
OG, you better remember the name.
Fantastic, fearless, you got it all.
Thank you, dear students. It was beautiful performance, full of strength. I request the monologue students of Elements to stay on the stage, to remain on the stage, while others can make an exit. Sridevi ma'am, can you please help me getting the monologue students of the Elements from this dance? And let's hear them one more time. Dear parents, can we show some energy and encourage them and appreciate them and cheer them for the wonderful efforts they have put on? Let's hear the monologues again from our little ones. Requesting Dhriti to please come back.
A conscious learning space from whispers of the wind, warmth of the sun, strength of the earth and flow of the water. Today, the elements themselves has come to speak with us today. So listen carefully because every element carries a lesson of life. I am fire, the spark of passion and energy, a light of the paths of curiosity and discovery. But remember, true strength is not in burning bright alone. It is in using your power wisely. Thank you. I am water. I flow, I adapt, I find my way. When rocks block my way, I will not stop. I simply move around them. I remind you that flexibility and calmness can overcome any obstacle. I am the earth, strong, steady and patient. I teach you to stay grounded even when the world feels shaky. Like mountains stand tall with courage, like soil, nurture, kindness and growth in everything you do. Thank you. I am air. You cannot see me, but you can feel me everywhere. I carry whispers of ideas, dreams and imagination. I remind you to breathe deeply, think freely and let your thoughts soar. Thank you.
Thank you, students. You were wonderful.
You carry the world on your back, but look at you tonight. The lights, your face, your eyes, exploding like kiss it, daddy body game. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy body game. Look what we found, karma reached out into our hearts and pulled us to our feet now. You know the truth is, we could disappear anywhere as long as I got you there. When the sun dies, till the day shines. When I'm with you, there's not enough time. You are my spring flower, watching you bloom, wow. We are surrounded, but I can only see the lights. Your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. Sapphire, touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party, I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy body game. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party, I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy body game. You glow, you glow, your color and fracture the light. Look at you tonight. Sapphire, te hanere ghat de ungla chupa ke tu dhanak phirdi ki war apne do nana utte neelam jade. Chamma 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 ke sitare vargi. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chamma 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 ke sitare vargi. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chamma 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 ke sitare vargi. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep.
5, 4, the next song. 3.
अब मेरे हाथों में है हाथ तेरा, हाँ तो क्या मांगू रे। हाँ तेरे संग देखने को सवेरा मैं रातें जागू रे। मेरी तू ही ज़मीं आसमां मेरा, तेरी आंखें बनी आईना मेरा। तेरे बिन तो जहां में किसी को मेरा ना मानू रे। मैं तो रंग गया रंग तेरे बावरे, जाऊं सद के हारे मेरे सांवरे हो। मैं तो झूम झूम के गाऊं रे, मैं तो झूम झूम के गाऊं रे। मैं तो रंग गया रंग तेरे बावरे, जाऊं सद के हारे मेरे सांवरे हो। मैं तो झूम झूम के गाऊं रे, मैं तो झूम झूम के गाऊं रे।
मैं तो जग नू भुला के होके यार दा फेरा, चाहे लुट पुट जाना होके प्यार दा फेरा। मेरे यार ते निहाल होके उड़ता गुलाल होके उसकी नजर उतार दा फेरा।
मैं तो जग नू भुला के होके यार दा फेरा, चाहे लट पट जाना होके प्यार दा फेरा। हाँ मेरे यार ते निहाल होके उड़ता गुलाल होके उसकी ही नजरें उतार दा फेरा। मैं तो रंग गया रंग तेरे बावरे, जाऊं सद के हारे मेरे सांवरे हो। मैं तो झूम झूम के गाऊं रे, मैं तो झूम झूम के गाऊं रे।
Family that dances together stays together also. Not just the prayer. We have a national anthem here. I request all of you to be standing still, pay the respect. Ma'am, national anthem. Okay, guys, national anthem. Nobody moves. Shh. Okay, are you all ready? How many of you know national anthem? Raise your hands. All of you. Very good. You'll sing with me? Oh, very nice. Here I have my assistant ready. I'm asking her. Absolutely. Yes? Yes. Okay. All set? 3, 2.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind! We'll shout loudly so that everybody listens. All of you ready? 1. Jai Hind. Loud. Huh? You want to have a mic after this? 1, 2, 3. Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Oh, nice. Thank you. Everybody, let us bow down and say thank you to them. Thank you, mummies and daddies, coming from all the way there and making this possible for us. Hope you enjoyed it and have beautiful memories. Thank you.